updating your payment method on Benchling is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Benchling website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account for which you want to update the payment method. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Access billing information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Shrug to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Update payment methods. Here, you will see the option to edit or add a new payment method. Enter your new credit card or payment information as required, ensuring all details are accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment method, make sure to save the changes. Look for Save or Update button and click it to confirm your new payment information is stored. By following these steps, you can easily update your payment method on Benchling. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Benchling's customer support for assistance.